Hi everyone! Good afternoon. This is Riona. I'm not sleeping. The whole day I'm not sleeping. I'm just marketing and playing games with my rattle and my teethers. I just want to eat and have milk. Oh my god, I will be naughty again. My mother will be angry. Oh! Oh! Uh-oh! Rihanna, oops, limit yan. Sira na yan eh. Sira na yan, baby. Huwag ka na pumunta dyan, please. Please. Do not go there because it is already destroyed. Come here. Here. No. You're so naughty. OMG. You're going back again. So, bye-bye na guys. Bago pa niya sirain yan kasi wala na tayong pambili. Oh my God, no!